Hello friends, today in this video I will guide you our proper restaurant POS management system with the latest features in our POS software. Like example, we have now put images. We can put our images with the name of your items, bar billing system, how to select the waiters, how to change the quantity, rate, change table. Everything in this video I will guide you properly step by step. So let's start with our this video in this video. Okay, so this is our dashboard. In this dashboard, we can start from within our dining systems. So dining system is that systems like suppose example that customer comes to your restaurant and sitting on the table, and now your steps are starting. So first of all, we can select the table which are filled, that shows in red in color. You can see it easily, and the vacant tables are easily in the green colors. So first of all, we have to select one table to make a QOT. Like example, I am selecting table number 10. Okay, table number 10, you can select your items which is ordered by customers. Easily way you can just select the categories. By category wise, every item shown on in front on the dashboard. You can also search from here. Like example, you want to search a black coffee, you can add a black coffee also. Anything you want to add here, you can also put a barcode. Like example, you want to put a code of your item, like you want to easily, then just easy way, whatever you have to put item in the back office, you can put it easily here. If you want to change quantity, just click on any item. You can multiple. If you want to remove any one of the items, suppose you want to remove apple launch, you can easily click on it and remove it. If you want to give any QOT, any ticket note, like example, your customer want a more salty, more spicy, just click on that item and you can easily type here, or you can feed it also. Just click on save plus print. Your QOT directly printed. Our printer is not connected with our system, that's why we are showing PDF format. Like example, I am giving a name of QOT1. Now I will show you in which format QOT1 is printed. You can say it in easily way, like ticket number, table number, bill date and time, operator ID, from which ID that QOT has been taken, an item name, 20, quantity, more spicy, more gravy, ticket notes, everything in easily way you can see in the QOT. After QOT, whenever you want to change the table, I will show you how to change the table. If you want to go and change the table, just click on search, that you can easily see that which tables are running. Like example, table 10, you want to change the table, just click on table. We are already selected table 10. Now we are going to go with table 17. Any issue that table is not ready or anything, you can change table. Yeah, we are giving table 16. Now table is changed. Anytime you want to take a same, like example, that is table 10 is vacant, now table 16 is filled. Whenever your customer or your waiter coming to make the bill of table 16, just click on table 16. All the items is easily way shown here and you can easily view that. Everything, tax amount with GST amount, just select the payment mode. If you want to first of all give him in the temporary bill, because sometimes we don't know that how to customer bill pay, then we can give also a directly print. This is a temporary bill, not a complete bill. So I will give him name temporary bill. I will show you also. This is our temporary bill. Because we don't know how The customer will pay us. Now comes on, waiter comes and says that the table 16 have paid through wallet like Paytm. Okay, just say plus print. If you want to take a print again, just click yes. If you don't want to print, just click simply on no. I will show you bill. Just take. Now I will show you a final bill also. This is our final bill, your logo, your company name, bill number, order number, date and time, by which operator ID this bill generated, payment mode, table number, quantity, everything fully described on our invoice. You can easily give the bill to your customer. So this is our dine-in system, means table system. Like dine-in, we also have a takeaway system. Takeaway system means to say self-service system. Like example, customer comes and orders and you will take the payment. From how will payment? Google Pay, just click on simply on say plus print. QOT and invoice easily way print out. I will show you how to take away. This is a takeaway bill, self-service system. In the self-service system, whenever you click on save plus print, the order will be closed easily. So this is our dine-in, takeaway and home delivery, same as already we have explained in the other videos. Just put your customer IDs, details, address and just select items. And we can also update or the change update payment mode also in a delivery, home delivery option, because we don't know that how we'll pay our customer. After that we can on get data just select the bill and we can also update the bill moment. Here is a dashboard. You can also see the live dashboards whatever is going in our restaurant. So this is our front office billing system. I will explain in properly way. Any queries, we will guide you properly. If you want any type of video, just comment in the section. We will also make on that. Thank you. Have a good day.